Hello again. Congratulations for making it into the second stage. This stage is called personal interview. This is going to be your chance to introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about yourself, not only to the FGS Foundation, but also to the international judges. We want to get to know you. This is going to be a 45-minute interview on Google Meets. And you have to prepare a 6 slides presentation. Use your presentation as a support for everything that you're gonna tell us. But remember, you have 10 minutes to present yourself. And if I may give you a tip, we wanna get to know you. So feel free to add anything personal. Could be academic, sports, family, your motivations in life. We just wanna get to know the real you. Now, after your 10-minute presentation, the judges are going to ask you some questions just to clarify some doubts and even to evaluate your English proficiency. Because yes, remember, both the presentation and the questions are going to be in English. Make sure you pay attention to all the details on the document because there is a deadline for you to submit your presentation. And after your presentation is uploaded, you will be given a date by the FGS Foundation for you to present yourself. Make sure you read all the information carefully. And if you happen to have any doubts, you can always contact us. Good luck and remember to be yourself on that presentation.